Bugatti!
Have you ever unboxed a Bugatti like from the crate before?
This is my first brand new and the most expensive car I have ever purchased in my life. I'm a little bit giddy. The box is here. Damon and Dave are here.
What's MSRP?
$4.1 million US.
Unboxing a brand new Bugatti Chiron Sport. I think it's all exposed carbon. I think it's exposed everything.
We'll find out in a minute.
We're gonna expose Raymond.
The best part is, he drove us in the Bentley to his Bugatti unboxing.
Do not let him jump on the lid.
You want to jump on the lid?
I'm just gonna jump on the lid and get a picture of me on the box.
Clearly says do not stack.
Doesn't say don't stand. It says don't stack.
Okay, just stand on it. Get up there, Raymond.
I gotta do a day pose.
So underneath this crate right here is a $4.1 million Bugatti Chiron Sport. That is a W16 motor, 1,500 horsepower,
All-wheel drive. This is so sick. Unbelievable.
I gotta pay for this somehow. Okay, what is the day pose? Like this?
Look at this. Bugatti Automobile.
Straight up.
Chateau Saint-Jean in France. Well, this is pretty cool. Look at this.
Wow. It's an intense moment. Like you're moving the top off of a crate over top of a carbon fiber car.
Oh, you can see a bit of the roof. How excited are you?
I'm pretty excited.
Walk me through this. How long has this car been ordered and waiting and all the process?
Year and a half.
A year and a half. What, a $1.2 million deposit?
500, 500, and 200. Yeah, 200 was the first initial.
You guys, I'm so excited. This is the very first Chiron Sport to Canada.
The anticipation of this.
It's crazy.
Not even my car, and I'm like
Ray
so
is very
excited.
right now. Ray doesn't smile that often. He's all smiles right now.
Technically, we can have a little. Oh, wait till you guys see. I don't want to spoil a surprise for you, but
Right? That's a pretty nice spec from what I could peek over the top there.
Yeah, it's old man spec, but I'm old. We get it, but it's beautiful.
It's old man spec. I don't know if exposed carbon fiber and handcrafted leather interior is old man, but if it is,
I think we all want to be an old man at this point.
Easy monthly payments.
easy monthly payments of $1 million a month. Here we go, guys.
You ready for this?
Who's ready?
You ready? These guys are close. We got one away.
One away. It's like, you guys ready for this?
Psych!
Big YouTuber right here. You can go subscribe, SR Auto Group on the YouTube. And wow! Fully exposed carbon fiber. Oh, you even got the wheels to match. Damn! Look at the carbon fiber matching painted blue wheels. We're gonna do the front end now. Reveal the whole front grille. There you go, guys. We have exposed the front grille of the Bugatti. Fully exposed carbon fiber, the entire car. There's some very special features on this car that Raymond spec, and they're very expensive. So walk us through some of the ridiculousness that is one-offs on these cars.
So I don't know the exact numbers, but we did a bunch of aluminum on this car.
The ring?
The ring right here is aluminum. The center ring is aluminum. The center stripe is polished aluminum. Mirror base.
Yeah.
This was a $12,000 US option to get the mirror
So the whole mirror base is aluminum, the whole mirror.
But the absolute killer is this engine cover. You would think is like a 10 grand option. It's 40,000 US dollars for that.
And it's polished.
It's polished aluminum.
Most of the sports have this painted. So people paint them red or blue, and this one's been polished, and that was a $40,000 option
On this Bugatti. That is nuts. Absolutely stunning.
This is a North American thing. These are mandatory for the car to be legally allowed into the country, but here's the good news. Right here and right on the other side, only 2 bolts, and you can remove these bad boys.
Just, no one removes them in North America.
This is
Oh, the sky view?
This is the big deal. So you could order the Sky View. It was, I believe, $60,000 the option, but it's a must.
Look at this carbon. Look at how the weave, how right here, like how it, the angle of the body line. That is crazy. What a beautiful car. Right there, you can see the badging, Chiron Sport. When you open this, be prepared to have a gas bill.
No, I bet.
A W16 motor. How many valves is that?
4 per cylinder times 4 times 16 is 40. 4 times
64, 68?
62. Oh god, I'm gonna get torn apart for that. My math's wrong.
So first thing, cut the spring.
Bam! We're gonna cut the springs and we're gonna change the wheels and we're gonna wrap it a different color.
Can we do camo? Can we
do camo like the Hitman's 488?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's just wrap it, put snow tires on it in a box. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna wrap over the Skyview too. What's the point?
The gentlemen here are getting the rest of the straps and the wood all taken off so that we can actually start the Bugatti up and remove it off of the top of this crate.
It's gonna need to go to the dealership to get, I don't know, what do you call it? What do they call it? Is it called PDIing? Pre-delivery inspection.
Good for you.
So this is gonna have to come off, go to the dealership. I've never bought a Bugatti brand new. I don't even know what they do. Does this have all the oil in the engine already? I mean, is it all ready to go? It's all ready to go.
Did you notice the Sport has 4 tips?
Instead of the regular.
It's the regular, I don't know. I'm making this up.
Oh, I love it when you make stuff up. Has 4, so you get 4 tips exposed out the back versus the regular 2 on a Chiron matte carbon rear diffuser. You guys want to see the inside? Okay, here we go. Gonna open up the door. A full carbon fiber, fully exposed carbon door that goes with the leather and all this blue stitching. A billet door. Oh man, the feel of that, you guys, I can't even tell you.
The quality that is this car.
All this exposed carbon fiber. Look at this. Now you can actually see the sky view, the glass roof. Look at these seats. Look at these seats. Wow, these are insane. Carbon exposed seats in the backs, all matching with the blue. Look at that. Wow. Standard Chiron C-shaped interior ring that separates you and the passenger. You got all your billet aluminum, your shifter, all the buttons, so seamless and so sleek in this car. And oh, look what I found. This Chiron's key to this $4.1 million car. Look at that. Go, you got it? Can you handle that?
It looks like my Gallardo key.
It looks like a Volkswagen key.
Amazing.
Right? We'll take it to its rightful owner. Your Volkswagen key, sir.
Wow, that's just putting salt on some wounds.
Now,
isn't it?
a Chiron doesn't come with a speed key like the Veyron did.
It doesn't? It doesn't have anything cool?
Nope.
Gotta be something better than this.
You're always
There is.
fast.
Okay.
You're always fast. You have more goodies in the box?
There's more keys in that box, apparently.
What's in the box? What's in the box? I want to know what's in the box.
I don't know what's in the box.
Okay, we'll find out later.
All right, look at this. We're gonna have to show you guys the headlights. The headlights are probably one of my favorite features, but wow, what a spec, what an interior. You can see that the base of this tow truck is a regular flatbed, but then they custom made this box so it's wide enough for the Bugatti to fit inside it, because that is an extremely wide car, so they made this just for the delivery of this vehicle. Look at the headlights. Oh, yes. We have the start up. What is this? Seriously? He is ripping the Bugatti already. This guy's a maniac.
I can't control it yet.
You are a maniac. Do you have all the traction control off?
I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm putting it in the box. Slow.
Oh my god. Dude. Oh, I can't walk. I gotta walk away. I'm so scared.